Here, I'll leave you take them. What's going on? We got a Sunday morning stare down. Good Lord. What you got there? Hey, Snowball. Hey, buddy. Tootsie Roll, what's going on? So, you ready? Get the good morning, sunshine? Huh? The stretching? Hey, Snowball. Hey, Ruby now. De Niro. What you doing, boy? De Niro. Looks like a pigeon's gonna try to get some food. I don't know if they're the brightest ones. Hey, Snowball. Say something to... Hey, Snowball. What are you gonna lay in the sunshine? Come here, Snowball. Come here, buddy. Say hi to Peony. You guys gonna... Got a good girl. Tootsie Roll, you gonna get the kitty? Where you going there? Bored, De Niro? That a good girls. There's the good girls. There's the good girls. Come here, Snowball. Snowball thinks there's food, Mama. Got it. Dinosaurs to chew on. Snowball. Snowball, come here, Snowball. Snowball. Come here, boy.
Stretching, Ruby now.
What, Toots?
You didn't get Ruby now stretching.
I get you yawning, though. There's the big dog.
Is he hiding in the bushes?
What you doing? De Niro, you getting you some grass? Okay, your belly ache? Alright, guys. Tootsie Roll. What you doing, girl? Snowball. Come here, Snowball. Come here, boy. Come here. What you doing, boy? Come here. Good boy. Good boy. What? You don't want me to touch you because I just touched Snowball? You don't like his smell? Okay. I don't blame you. Where's the kitten? Good girl. They're chasing the kitten. Oh, the good girl. They're chasing the kitten.